Hello everyone and welcome to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into a common concern among iPhone users, overheating. If you have ever felt your iPhone become unusually warm or even hot to the touch, you are not alone. Overheating can occur for various reasons, from environmental factors to intensive usage or software issues, but fear not. We are here to guide you through comprehensive solutions to address and prevent iPhone overheating. Let us explore the potential causes of iPhone overheating and effective solutions to keep your device running smoothly. Identifying causes of iPhone overheating. Number 1. Environmental factors. External temperature and direct sunlight can significantly impact your iPhone's temperature. Exposure to high temperatures, such as leaving your iPhone in a hot car or under direct sunlight for extended periods, can cause it to overheat. iPhones are designed to operate within specific temperature ranges, and exceeding this can lead to performance issues and potential damage. Solution: to prevent overheating due to environmental factors, it is crucial to be mindful of where you leave your iPhone, especially during hot weather conditions. Avoid direct sunlight. Whenever possible, keep your iPhone inside the shade or indoors rather than exposed to direct sunlight. Cool, shaded storage. Store your iPhone in a cool, shaded place such as a bag, purse, or pocket that isn't in direct sunlight or close to heat-emitting sources like heaters or electronics. Use a case with heat dissipation. Consider using a protective case designed to dissipate heat effectively, which can help in maintaining optimal operating temperatures. Monitor temperature. Periodically check the temperature of your iPhone, especially after extended use or exposure to high temperatures. If it feels excessively warm, allow it to cool down before using it extensively. By taking these precautions, you can help prevent your iPhone from overheating due to external environmental factors, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your device. Number 2. Intensive usage. Running demanding apps, playing graphics-intensive games, or streaming videos for prolonged periods can strain your iPhone's processor and cause it to heat up. iPhones are powerful devices capable of handling such tasks, but extended usage without breaks can lead to overheating. Solution: prevent overheating due to intensive usage. Follow these steps. Take regular breaks. Schedule breaks between intensive tasks to allow your iPhone to cool down. This can be particularly important during extended gaming sessions or when streaming HD videos. Close unused apps. Apps running in the background continue to consume resources, including CPU power. Close unused apps to reduce the overall processor load and prevent unnecessary heat generation. Monitor CPU usage. Use the built-in iOS tools or third-party apps to monitor CPU usage. Identify apps that are consuming excessive resources and close them when not in use. Optimize game settings. In graphics-intensive games, lower the graphics settings if your iPhone starts to heat up. This reduces the workload on the GPU and CPU, helping to maintain a cooler temperature. Avoid overcharging. While gaming or streaming, avoid charging your iPhone simultaneously, as charging generates additional heat. If necessary, take breaks from gaming to allow your iPhone to cool down and charge separately. By implementing these solutions, you can manage intensive usage effectively, reduce the risk of overheating, and prolong the performance and lifespan of your iPhone. Number 3. Background processes, software bugs, and outdated iOS versions. Background processes, software bugs, or outdated iOS versions can contribute to increased CPU usage, leading to overheating. These issues can arise from apps running unnecessary background tasks, system bugs, or compatibility issues with older iOS versions. Solution: to address these potential causes of iPhone overheating, follow these steps. Keep your iPhone software up to date. Regularly check for and install iOS updates to ensure your iPhone has the latest software improvements and security patches. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Monitor background app activity. Review and manage which apps are allowed to run in the background. Limit background app refresh for apps that don't require real-time updates, and disable unnecessary background processes to reduce CPU usage. Restart your iPhone. occasionally restarting your iPhone can help clear temporary files and refresh system processes, potentially resolving software-related issues causing overheating. Reset settings. As a last resort for persistent issues, consider resetting all settings on your iPhone. This action restores system settings to their defaults without deleting your data, which can help eliminate software misconfigurations contributing to overheating. By keeping your iPhone software up to date and managing background processes effectively, you can minimize CPU usage, reduce overheating, and maintain optimal performance of your device. Number 4. Charging issues. Using incompatible chargers or accessories for charging your iPhone in improper conditions can generate excess heat during charging. iPhones are designed to charge efficiently with Apple-certified accessories, but using non-certified chargers for charging in inappropriate environments can lead to overheating. Solution: prevent overheating due to charging issues. Follow these recommendations. Use Apple-certified chargers and accessories. Only use chargers and accessories that are certified by Apple. This ensures compatibility and safe charging practices, minimizing the risk of overheating and potential damage to your iPhone's battery. Use the right charging environment. Avoid charging your iPhone on surfaces that retain heat, such as thick blankets, pillows, or other soft materials that can block airflow and trap heat. Opt for flat, stable surfaces that allow for proper heat dissipation. Remove protective cases. During charging, remove any protective cases that may insulate heat around your iPhone. This allows heat to dissipate more effectively, preventing overheating during charging sessions. Monitor charging temperature. Be mindful of the temperature of your iPhone while charging. If it becomes excessively warm to the touch, unplug it from the charger and allow it to cool down before resuming charging. Avoid overcharging. Once your iPhone reaches full charge, unplug it promptly to avoid overcharging, which can also contribute to overheating over time. By following these charging guidelines and using certified accessories, you can ensure safe and efficient charging practices, reduce the risk of overheating, and extend the lifespan of your iPhone's battery. Number 5. Background apps and settings. Background apps and settings such as location services, push notifications, and background app refresh can contribute to increased CPU activity, heat generation on your iPhone. These features allow apps to perform tasks in the background, consuming additional resources and potentially causing overheating. Solution: to mitigate overheating caused by background apps and settings, follow the steps to review and adjust your iPhone's configurations. Manage location services. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services. Review the list of apps using location services and disable this feature for apps that do not require it for their core functionality. This reduces the number of apps running background processes related to location tracking, which can help conserve battery life and prevent overheating. Limit background app refresh. Navigate to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Here, you can choose to disable background app refresh entirely or limit it to specific apps. This prevents apps from refreshing content in the background when you are not actively using them, reducing CPU activity and heat generation. Adjust notification settings. Visit Settings, Notifications. Review the list of apps and disable notifications for apps that you do not need immediate alerts from. This reduces interruptions and minimizes background activity associated with delivering notifications, which can help conserve battery and prevent overheating. Close unused apps. Periodically close apps running in the background that you are not actively using. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher, then swipe up on the app preview to close it. This frees up memory and reduces CPU usage, helping to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. By optimizing these settings and managing background app activity, you can effectively reduce CPU activity, minimize heat generation, and improve the overall efficiency and battery life of your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider sharing it with others who may benefit from these tips. Thank you for taking time to learn about managing iPhone overheating, and we wish you continued enjoyment with your device. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.